Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am so glad that you are here today. If you like bullet journaling or scrapbooking videos, then this is for you. I will be doing a vintage scrapbooking theme in my friend's custom bullet journal, and you don't want to miss any more videos, so I need you to hit that subscribe button and notification bell. To start off, I'm going to grab all the stationery that I want to use for this theme, which is quite a lot. I don't end up using all of it. I just want to have it on my desk so I can see it all and pick what I want to use. I've made a lot of these stickers on my Cricut or just collected them over time. I'm also grabbing little papers and things, and yeah, if you ever want to see a stationery like collection video of this little drawer I have, let me know in the comments because I would love to do one for you. So now I'm going to grab some stamps and things, then I will grab some glue and tape and a ruler, and we can go ahead and get started after I grab some papers out of this. So I'm going to organize my desk just so I kind of can see everything, and then we can open up my journal, clip down the page, and get started. There's not really a way to do scrapbooking, you just do whatever you would like. So I'm just going to layer papers, washi tape, stickers I've made on my Cricut, pictures, and a bunch of other things. I also love adding doilies for the textures that they add. I will be doing that in a minute here, and yeah, you just keep layering things until you get what you like. And if you have missed any of my other bullet journaling videos, I am making a custom bullet journal for my friend, like I said in the beginning of this video, and I have done so many fun and cute themes in this bullet journal so far. So after this video, you should definitely go check out my channel to see the rest of the themes in her bullet journal. Now I'm just making the title for September out of this little like sticky note thing, and then I'm just going to stamp September onto it with these little monthly stamps that I have. Now I have some ASMR for you guys. I'm just going to add some more stickers, and as you can see here, I like to crumple up paper to add texture to it. Now I'm going up to this little spot up here, and I'm going to write the quote for this month right here after I layer some stickers and washi tape on it. The quote for this month is "Every day is a fresh start." I thought it'd be a good quote for September since a lot of people start school then or at the end of August. And then I'm just trimming all of the paper off the edges, and we can flip to the next page, which is the calendar. I'm going to start off by clipping it down again so it can't wiggle around, and then taking this fun orangey marker to do the calendar. I'm going to grab some vintage papers and other fun things, and I'm going to start to work on her goals section over in this corner, and I'm just going to rip some paper, add some stickers, and then I will go ahead and write goals and add some lines to this paper, and then I'm going to add some more stickers and washi tape. Then over here I'm just going to write September and layer some washi tapes and stickers and stamps, numbering her calendar, and that is it. We can move on to the next page, which is her habit tracker page. So I'm making this title, and I'm going to add some stickers and papers, and this little brown sticker I actually got from the Dollar Tree. They have a lot of craft paper stickers, which is super fun. Then I'm going to stamp all of my mini calendars. The link for these will be in the description box, along with as many of the supplies that I can find the links for. Working on her first weekly spread here, I'm going to write tasks and then split the other side into 7 sections, and her events can go here. And I apologize for the lighting. I film with natural light and the sun starts started to set. Anyways, getting back to the video, I'm doing the next 2 weekly spreads, and then I'm going to add a little collage here and stamp September, and then add a little to-do list, and then I'll do the same thing for the other side and add a little fun collaged tasks spot. Then we can move on to the last weekly spread, but make sure you stay tuned till the end of the video for September. Then I'm going to number this weekly spread, add a notes and next month section, highlight every other line, do some more collaging, and that is it, guys. I love this theme so much. I think I'm gonna do one in my own journal. Now for the flip through, first off we have her cover page, and I love how this turned out, especially with the "every day is a fresh start" quote. Then we have her calendar page. I love all the collaging here, especially the goals section and the little stickers. And now we have her habit tracker page and her first weekly spread of the month. I actually use this weekly spread in my own journal. And now we have her second and third weekly spread. I really like how these turned out with the collaging, especially the center of the one on the left hand side. And now we have the fourth and final weekly spread. I love how this turned out. And that is it for me today, guys. If you watched the video till this point, please leave a white heart emoji in the comments down below. And if you like this video, please give it a huge thumbs up and watch this video right here, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.